boy, this shit. Bitch, I'm sipping on potions. Little bitch, I'm told. In this circuit, got me gone. Send that Eddie and we on. Over Eddie, bitch, I'm zoning. Going slow motion.
But yo, welcome back. We got it again. And, today we alright, now let me welcome back to the More Banga channel, you understand? You didn't know, say, yeah, just posted every day, a week ago, was it a week ago? About a week or 2 weeks ago, so it's not something, but anyways, make sure you go, things with that, but today, we're not doing a Jolly Says. We're not doing Truth Today. We're not talking about our Jamaican parents. But we're talking about Jamaican. I don't like doing these shit to my mom. I ain't bad. See, I gotta swear right now, so I feel better about myself. Anyways, bro, today we're doing a reaction. That's right, nigga. I told you I'm doing, bro. I'm doing a reaction today, bro. Bro, I'm really litty. I'm doing a reaction. It's my first reaction on the channel. So, they're reacting to trick questions in Jamaica. Yeah. If you want to watch, because, there's more of these. This is, episode 3 of season 2 for him. Damn, he done 2 seasons or more on this already? That's crazy. Niggas really love this. But, if you want to watch this, on your own or watch any more of these, I'll link the channel down below. Shout out to Genuine Comedy, bro. One of the best Jamaicans out here doing it, putting it on for the audience. But anyways, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because support the channel, bro. It's free. It's really free, bro. You're not paying a dime. Just subscribe. Press the red button. Press the red button. Siri, shut up. Press the red button, bro. You're not going to regret it. On some real nigga shit. Cool. Make sure you like the video, okay? Make sure you tell your man, tell another man, tell your other man, say other man. You get it? I bet you get it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So the intro is there.
I have 5 fingers, but I'm not alive. What am I?
5 fingers, but you're not alive.
Yeah.
5 fingers, but you're not alive.
Banana. A bunch of banana.
You must be a bird, dead man.
Who are going peeps?
Yo, they better that serious. They better that see. They better that see. The man say a bird, general.
Your boy Bun. Welcome to our next episode of the question, episode 3. And a long time I'm not to be done. But today, I'm not behind the camera. Today I'm in front of the camera. So here now, we're gonna kick it off in a puppy. Make we go all our vibes now. Come here.
Bro, you really gotta love Jamaica, bro. Nah, hold on, I gotta put y'all on, bro. Tasty, bro. If you ever go to Jamaica, bro, go to Tasty's patty, bro. Go to the. I guarantee you that's one of the best patties you'll ever have. Tasty and juicy beef. I don't fuck with what's it called? It's that place that Sugar and Spice. I don't like Sugar and Spice beef patties. Them shits taste mad sweet. Beef patties are not supposed to be sweet. But if you ever go to Jamaica, bro, Tasty patty and juicy beef. Let me say it in a pot right now. Yo, Tasty's sponsorship. When time you get bigger state, but sponsorship, just show it in all, brother. Give me sponsor, anyways. Let me get maybe this thing. I still need a little bit, I think. Beer guns. Oh yeah, this is Tony Hill for a fact. Papa.
Alright, first thing I want you to do, my father, give me a name.
Michael Libert.
Alright, Michael. So first...
The samurai. Samurai? Yeah.
Celia.
Hakeem.
No, so my name is Raymond.
Raymond.
Yeah.
Come on, split up.
Which one of them?
Any one of them.
My super
But this one.
Courtney. Like Courtney.
And that is superstar name?
Yeah, cool.
Alright, superstar.
Name Davos, you see me? Davos 2K on Instagram, yeah man.
And me name Rassi, man, you see me?
Yes, sir.
What's her name? The right man? Barbara.
Alright, Barbara.
You can call me Bobby.
Margaret. Zidane.
You know, so I like to do the fire bars, you know. So you can go now, you know, so check out my new song just dropped. Nah, kill my brother.
What in the
You know,
kid?
me and on social media platform as well. We out there in a night, you,
Never.
kiss your mother. Hey, come me pick up a shot for me friend. And
Shout
every day we
shout
there,
out
we smoke and
Jamaica
drink
for
white
real,
rum
bro. Y'all got some
yeah.
hidden talents, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Jamaica got some hidden talents, bro, that they're not letting niggas know about. Like, bro, go to the stool. You sound better than half of the niggas uptown, bro. Like, come on. Just pull up to the stool and just make a one shot and get your breads.
Lammy.
Yeah.
You know, say I pray them in name.
Freedom.
You know, say I break it here, I don't know that crime boss, you see me? Mad one.
Picture.
You know something on me your name? What are you telling me?
You know, say I break it here, I don't know that crime boss, you see me?
Yeah, son.
Mad one.
Picture away.
Nikisha Ingram.
Lamar.
Amani.
I have 5 fingers, but I'm not alive. What am I?
5 fingers and you're not alive. What are you?
Yeah.
What am I? Banana.
We think still.
Oh, dopey.
Where is that?
Yeah, dead then.
He said dopey, which is part of for fucking ghost, bro.
5 fingers, but you're not alive. The one is a trick one, never think about the one
What
there.
the fuck is that? Oh, he a fort. Yo, somebody come get this nigga, bro, before I get tight.
5 fingers, I'm not alive. No, I cannot. That one in the front.
The one there, pussy.
Yeah.
Oh, pass.
But
Yeah, pass that one.
Some have 5 and some have 10 and them have to live with the 5 and 10, you know? Some people are cut off and them have to live with it.
I have 5 fingers, but I'm not alive. What am I?
5 fingers. Banana, man.
Everything to the banana.
No, God!
No, that one no man.
Scratch on my head. 5 fingers, but I'm not alive.
Somebody if you take that taxi money now, but stop blowing on.
Jesus. No one. You don't want to kind of tickle shit.
Why? My friend was saying, well, me a boy for some, but I'm going to say, banana.
No.
I want the cousin.
I have 5 fingers, but I'm not alive. What am I?
Dead man.
Yeah, man, 2 of them you there for your school. Like, no grade, no class, nah pass, brother. No class at all, nah pass for them, dog. No class.
I have 5 fingers, but I'm not alive. What am I?
5 finger, but you're not alive.
Yeah.
5 finger, but you're not alive. It must be a bird dead man.
I have 5 fingers,
Yeah, man.
but I'm not alive. What am I?
Oh, what, that's an octopus?
Oh my god. That nigga said a octopus. See, not only are Jamaicans very, very talented in singing, some of them are smart. Some of them don't, but anyway. Niggas about to drag it. Niggas about to drag it. Niggas about to drag it.
No.
You don't know the one.
No.
Alright. Gloves, man.
Ah, Jesus. You need this? No, God, no. My face.
Yes.
There's no way. There's no way. There's no way.
I'm gonna get your answer. Or you want to try again?
No, I'm not gonna try.
All right. No one gloves, man. Get
They
it?
say the glove's not alive.
No. But
it's
they
got
have
one
5
finger.
fingers. Yeah.
But if the glove's not alive, why you put it for your hand?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Which tire don't move when the car turn right?
Which tire don't move when the car turn right? Lord. Which tire don't move? None of them don't move.
None of them don't move.
No.
All of them.
Which tire don't move when the car turn right?
Oh, the back tire.
The back tire?
Yeah. Which tire don't move when the car turn right?
Yeah. Spare tire. Spare.
The back wheel tire unless it's a 4-wheel drive.
Oh, God. That right there is a future mechanic. I guarantee, bro, you're going to see me in the mechanic shop one day. Watch.
Tire don't move.
When the car take a ride.
When the car take a ride.
Alright, now here's what we're gonna start doing. Here's what we're gonna start. Nigga, pause. Damn. Here's what we're gonna start doing, right? While you watching this, pause the video to see if you can get it yourself. Like, let's see how many of y'all are dumb, bro. Like, pause the video, and like, when you get to a certain question, comment, question 1, first question, or like, from here on out, first question, this answer, see if you get it right. Then, just comment down your answers, bro, because I'm interested to see how many of y'all niggas are stupid.
I'll tell you more when the car take a ride. Not every tire move you.
Think about it, man. Think about it.
Which tire doesn't move when the car take a ride? Yeah. The back tire.
They gonna fucking wanna put still.
Think about it, man.
Let the tire move? We don't know.
The spirit tire guys they're back under.
The boy are bright,
Of course.
Alright.
See, them son are passing class in my school. I'm a complete about shit. So let's charge my baby. Nah, bro. See? I'm proud of this little nigga right here. He's actually passing his classes. He's the first nigga I seen on this that passes his classes.
Which school you go?
Excelsior.
Alright, Excelsior.
One of them move.
One of them move.
Yeah.
So tell me which one to move now, man?
Everybody have to move.
Everybody?
Yeah, have to move. When the car take a ride,
Yeah.
the most the spear, man.
What's the spear, man?
Why I must, but I know the one that the spear with.
See them one. Why can't a woman living in Mobile be buried in Kingston?
Why can't a woman live in Mobile, buried in Kingston?
Cause she not dead.
But that's not supposed to happen. Bury anywhere in Jamaica supposed to can bury.
You sure?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Anywhere in the island she's supposed to can bury. Without no offense.
Why can't a woman living in Mobile be buried in Kingston? Well, at Kingston, I live in a so I don't know about that one day.
But you say no about that woman day?
No, I don't know about that dead day.
Hello. Bro, pause the video, bro, and comment down your answers, bro. I want to see how many of y'all niggas is dumb, bro. And Mobile is just short for Montego Bay. That's a place in Jamaica. Bro, Kingston and Montego Bay are a place in Jamaica, bro. Comment down your answers, bro.
That's what they say she born and grew and used to the place.
Oh, I think so she born and grow.
Yeah, man, so she now go and buried in Kingston. Why she can't be buried in Kingston?
Yeah.
Well, it's not easy if she bury her Mobile because I just heard her family and everybody will come at the funeral. I go come look for her. So I better she bury which part she lives. Because she done the country already and a burying ground in that town to that, you see me?
Yeah,
I don't see nothing wrong with that. Because she come from Kingston more likely, the man car back at Kingston for bury her. Even though I'm be she live when she dead.
Well, a woman living in Mobile can be buried in Kingston. Because they can bury at Maypen Cemetery.
You sure?
I'm sure about that because maybe they come from Kingston and move to live in Mobile.
Boy, some people bury a mobile and some bury a town, you know. Because they're not a space, you know. So they have to bury all the town.
Right now, I don't even know why she burying her right now. You know, come like she put up to bury, you see me? That's the thing there.
Why can't a woman living in Mobile be buried in Kingston?
This nigga is stupid.
No, because why she buried in a Kingston and she live in a Mobile? Hmm? It don't make no sense.
So why it don't make no sense?
Probably most are relative, they where she come from. So she have to bury where she come from.
Nah, hold on.
She come from.
Won't you
so
please
she have to
face?
bury where she come from.
Peace. Pre-bull. Pre the nigga in the middle's face, bro. No, that's a face of bare disappointment.
Why can't a woman living in Mobile bury at Kingston?
Yeah.
Mobile. Because she live a country, she can't bury at town.
Why can't a woman be living in Montego Bay, be buried in Kingston? Possible, our final rights where she asked to be buried in our hometown instead of being buried in Kingston.
Why can't a woman living in Mobile be buried in Kingston?
Because she dead.
What? Yeah, all that go?
Because she dead.
Woman living in Mobile be buried in Kingston.
Because she dead.
I'm glad. I'm not saying nothing.
She dead.
Yo, this thing is ugly, bro. Yo, this nigga is ugly, bro. This nigga is ugly.
Introducing. Oh, and right after that, we had to
I
stop.
don't know why they keep giving me ads. Like I'm not gonna cut this shit out. As a matter of fact, I won't. Snapchat.
Because she did.
What kind of shit is that?
You know, hurt again.
If she not dead, if she live in a Mobile, buried in a Kingston, but she not dead.
Because
Thank you, mama. Now, you know, I come buy my banana, not banana. I come buy one orange, one apple, and one bag juice, and some Guinea.
yeah, when you live in a Mobile, you live in a bury, you're not dead yet.
In my opinion,
Yes,
right,
you.
they say, why can't a woman living
In Mobile be buried in Kingston.
she can't bear, she's still alive.
Why can't a woman living in Mobile be buried in Kingston?
She no want bury in a living.
Yo, if you're a nurse, the woman I don't, you know. Yo, if you're a nurse, the woman I don't. She work at hospital. Alright, in Jamaica, bro, pink uniform. So you see, like, anybody in a pink uniform, it's mainly women though. They work there like a nurse or something. Or like they work in a hospital. If you're a nurse, a hospital worker, the woman I kinda don't stay.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode.
Yeah, man. Anyways, just say to that brother, I say, at the end of the video, that I understand. If you stick around till now, then big ups to you. You deserve, yeah, man. You deserve a treat. And it's not get the family right down on still. But anyways, let me know if y'all like this. You feel me? Like, let me know if you bangs with these type of videos or these reactions. I might do another one. Maybe to this, maybe to something different. You never know. You never know. You never know. But yeah, once again, shout out to JNL Comedy for the video. You feel me, bro? I'm gonna link his channel in the description below. Yo, JNL, if y'all watch it, yo, somebody actually send this to him, bro. JNL, if y'all watch this, bro, what's the word, bro? What's the word? I'm trying to get like, what's the word? Like, just hit me up, bro. Anyways, make sure you subscribe, like. Tell your man, say other 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 man.